Nityanandam. This is Sri Nitya Brahma Sukhananda talking from Adi Kailasa Nityananda Sarvagnya Peetham, just next to our beloved mother Devi Rajarajeshwari, her Sannidhi. This video I am shooting basically as a response to all the rumors that are being spread all across social media and mainstream media about our Guru, our Swamiji, Bhagwan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, having allegedly left the body and rebuilding a samadhi and all other kinds of nonsense. All I want to say is there is not even 1% of truth in these statements, in these rumors. Our Guru, our Swamiji is absolutely fine, he is absolutely healthy. His body, as even the doctors are saying, is currently experiencing the kind of health equivalent to that of a 16-year-old boy, healthy boy. What I want to communicate to all the people is that Swamiji is going through an extremely powerful and deep state of samadhi, experiencing Paramadvaita, oneness with Paramashiva, who happened in his life as Arunagiri Yogeshwara, as Paramashiva resides in the ancient enlightenment ecosystem of Tiruvannamalai, where Swamiji was born as a child. He spent his childhood there and experienced this extremely sweet Guru-disciple relationship with Paramashiva in the form of Arunagiri Yogeshwara directly, physically. It is only Arunagiri Yogeshwara who is manifesting and residing in his body, in his own words. And currently he is experiencing that deep state of oneness with his Guru, and all he is doing right now is either experiencing complete samadhi state, or the moments when his body settles down from samadhi, all he is doing is offering puja to Paramashiva. So this is the present state that he is experiencing. Health-wise, he is absolutely fine, absolutely healthy. From our side, as disciples, we are offering our prayers, our respects, our devotion to Arunagiri Yogeshwara, to Paramashiva, to continue to manifest in his body the way he was manifesting, and possibly even more strongly, but so that we can continue to cherish our sweet relationship with our Guru, our Swamiji, in the current physical form. Because as Swamiji has said, that despite having no problems, no health issues, the kind of samadhi he is experiencing, he is not left with any kind of attachment or aversion to this current body. So it is all up to Arunagiri Yogeshwara what he decides how to live, how to settle, how to manifest through his body, and whether or not to manifest through his body or not. This is exactly the truth, what samadhi state, how it manifests in any body. We as his disciples want to continue to cherish our relationship with him in the current physical form. That's why we are experiencing this sweet pain of separation with our Guru right now, in this brief moment of pause, so that we can continue to cherish our relationship with him. We are offering our prayers to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. But having said that, it is important to mention that technically we are all initiated disciples of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, and his initiations never fail. He is here to revive Kailasa. He has initiated us as his disciples who are going to execute his mission as per his guidance. And he does not need, technically he does not need to be present in the current physical body to do that. He has initiated his disciples to continue to do his mission, to continue to do what he has come here to do, and we are going to do that anyway. Kailasa will be revived. The ancient enlightenment ecosystem, the ancient enlightened Hindu civilizational nation, Kailasa, will be revived anyway. But it is for us to continue to cherish our Guru-disciple relationship with Swamiji, our Guru, who is our very life, that we are offering this prayer, this worship to Arunagiri Yogeshwara, to Paramashiva, to continue to bless us with such a Guru who cannot be compared with anyone else, not even to any other Guru, to continue to bless us with that kind of a manifestation, that kind of a relationship with him, so that we can continue to enjoy him. in this very life, in this very physical body. That is all I want to say, and I hope all you viewers and everyone who is watching this video will also support us, join us in offering our prayers and respects and devotion to Paramashiva, especially in the form of Arunagiri Yogishwara, because he happened, Paramashiva happened in the life of our Swamiji in that form. That is the form that he relates to the most. So to offer our prayers, our respects to him, so that we cherish our relationship with our Guru like we have been cherishing till now. Thank you. Nityananda.